Hey everyone, this is Mr. Molo with a quick video explaining the animal life cycle assignment. We're talking about this assignment right here. It only has 3 questions on there. I'm going to go over what the assignment looks like first, and then I'll talk about the rubric. So basically you are researching an animal, any animal, and you are telling me about their life cycle. So question 1, why did you choose to research their life cycle and why? And then you should be able to find a picture of their life cycle. It doesn't have to be exactly that animal. Like if you get specific and do like, a black lab or something for a dog, you can just find a picture of any dog's life cycle. They're all going to be the same. So it doesn't have to be that specific one. And then I want you to write at least one sentence about each stage of their life cycle. If I go back and look at it, the assignment is worth 10 points. So question 1, did you state the animal you picked and explain why? And you did both of those. If you only did one, you get 1 point. If you didn't do either of them, you get 0 points. Question 2 is pretty basic. Did you copy and paste a picture of the life cycle? So if you did, you get 1 point. If you didn't, you get 0 points. Question 3, since it has 4 sentences, it's worth 4 points. So each stage has 1 sentence. Most stages have a sentence. Some stages have a sentence for 2 points. Few stages have a sentence, or you didn't do it, then 0 points. And then sentences and grammar. So I'm not going to take off points for spelling, but as long as I can understand it. So you have little or no errors would be 3. You have a couple errors, I'll give you 2 points. You have a lot of errors, I'll give you 1. And if I can't understand what I'm supposed to be reading there, that gets you a 0. So if you want to know what it looks like, here's an example of mine. So I chose bees because I know they're very important to the environment and humans. So perfect answer for number 1. There's a picture straight from Project Lead the Way of a picture of a bee and their life cycle. So starting as an egg and then going to a larva, then a pupa, and then an adult. And this is where most kids kind of get off track here. So not just saying the very typical answer is stage 1 is an egg. I can see that from the picture. You have to give me like a fact about it. So the egg stage only lasts 3 days. Queen bees can lay 3,000 eggs a day. So those are 2 facts. I could have just done 1. I did 2 about the egg stage. So larva stage, it looks like the letter C, and eats royal jelly fed by nurse bees. So again, I gave 2 facts there. You just need to give me 1. So again, not something like the second stage is larva. Pupa, this is when the body parts form. It could take 7 to 15 days depending on the type of bee. And then the last stage is adult bees. So bees cannot fly for a few days after exiting the pupa because their wings are too soft, and they live for about 6 weeks. All right, so today that's all we're going to be doing is answering these 3 questions about any animal you pick. Again, it doesn't have to be a specific animal. You could be broad and just do like dogs, cats, dinosaurs. Same thing is usually a popular one. You don't have to find the exact lifestyle of, like a T-Rex or something. Any lifestyle for that general animal will work, not one that's specific to the one that you are picking.